So good day, my name is John Paul Marangeles from M6B. So today I will be doing hot and cold compress. So let's proceed. So first, I check the physician's order kung may schedule po na ang patient natin ngayon. And then, second is gather all the materials. And then, hand washing. Then, I'll put my gloves. Clean gloves. So greet and identify. So good day, sir. My name is John Paul Marangeles, your student nurse. So today po, sir, I'll be doing an hot compress to your skin. As I also read on your chart. So you have a swelling on your right arm. So I need to do an hot compress there. So before we proceed, sir, let me know. Can you please state your full name and date of birth?
My name is John Patrick C. Garcia. My birthday is August 29, 2003.
Okay, let me check your ID one, sir. Okay. And then, for the privacy, I will close the curtain. And then, so let's proceed. First, I'll put a towel under her arms. Para po, hindi mabasa ang ating lanyards. And then, dahil wala po akong bag, hot bag, so gagamitin ko po is towel and then hot water. Then, i-sure po na nasa 37 to 40 degrees Celsius lang po ang init ng water natin. Then, para po hindi po siya masyadong mainit, i-cover ko po siya sa another towel. And then, i-place ko na po siya sa may swelling po na balat niya. Okay? And then wait for 15 to 20 minutes kung may pagbabago po sa kanyang balat. And then, i-assess po natin. Then, after 15 to 20 minutes, magbabalik po ako sa patient. Then, I check the skin if they have irritation or kung lumala pa po yung kanyang swelling. So, nawala na po yung swelling. So, okay po. Then, direct na po tayo. Next, so, cold compress na po tayo. Kagaya rin po ng dati. So, let's proceed to the cold compress. Dahil wala po akong ice bag. So, towel din po ulit yung gagawin natin. Then, this towel, I put a ice pack on this towel. And then, cover ko din po siya ulit sa towel para po hindi po siya masyadong lamig. And then, apply into the affected skin, swelling skin. Then, maghihintay po tayo ng 15 to 20 minutes again. And then, after 15 to 20 minutes, babalik po tayo. Check po natin yung skin niya. So, if they have changes po sa kanyang skin. So, check. Okay. The swelling po is gone. Then, okay na po. Then, linisin na po. Removing onions. Removing the towel under her arms. Then, back in a comfortable position. Okay. So, I document all the po lahat ng ginawa and then mga kinalabasan. And then, remove the gloves. Hand washing. So, that's all po.